Hello everyone. I just thought that I should give this thing a try. Not the painting part, but the speaking along the painting. I think that I have no idea what am I gonna say further, but let's just begin with what I'm doing here. So I just made a random sketch, something with tropical vibes, with green leaves and colorful flowers. I just wanted to splash my paints all over the sheet. So here I am, all yellows and greens and pretty much all the shades that I could create out of green. I just had to put it in there. And I will almost be done with painting the green parts, the green leaves. See, I just thought that I will go outside the lines. I will not stay within them. But towards the end, you will probably notice that I was pretty much within the lines. And I'm just waiting when I'm gonna be done with the green leaves. I really wanted to share, yeah, this particular part, when I painted this flower, I was so confused like what color should I use, what should I mix, which two colors will go along. I just thought a lot and then I thought I should just stop thinking and I should just go and paint. This pretty much looks good to me until now. And then, as soon as I started painting the blue part in these flowers, I thought that I should just take two different colors, not the shades of blue, but I ended up taking three shades of blue instead. And I thought, oh my god, what did I just do? And I feel that you would be feeling the same thing right now. But trust me, towards the end, this turns out to be pretty good. It looked very blank, very, very, very blank. But as soon as, yeah, see, it just took me over. So I just painted black around the borders and the space within the flowers and the leaves. And I was so clueless that what am I gonna do next? But I didn't think, and I just picked up my pens. I thought of making the details within the flowers with my black pen, but then I thought, nahi, it will be too much of black. So I just thought again that gold and silver, something new I can try. So that's when I picked up my white pen and my golden pen to do the detailing part within the leaves, as you can see here, and the flower part. I think I forgot to record the part where I used the golden pen. I was so conscious because I don't usually use it because it gets all glittery around the sheet. But oh my god, it turned out to be pretty good. See, you can see the yellow goldenish detailing part here in the flower specifically. So what I can say about it right now is that I gave it a lot of time and I thought I will give it a lot of thinking, but it turned out to be good.